Hardware. Definition: computer hardware is the collection of physical parts of a computer system. This includes the computer case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. It also includes all the parts inside the computer case, such as the hard disk drive, motherboard, video card, and many others. Computer hardware is the physical component like motherboard, ROM, RAM that connects the computer system. In other words, computer hardware is the mechanical, electronic, and electrical components that make up a computer system and controlled by software or operating system. Computer hardware refers to the components of a computer such as the monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data storage, hard drive disk, HDD, etc. Components of hardware. There are many different kinds of hardware that can be installed inside and connected to the outside of a computer. Internal hardware device, external hardware device. Internal hardware device. The internal hardware devices that are installed inside CPU include motherboards, hard drives, and RAM. External hardware devices. The external hardware devices can be viewed outside. It includes the central processing unit, keyboard, mouse, speaker, webcam, microphone, etc. A perfect example of hardware is a computer monitor, which is an output device that lets user to see what you are doing on the computer. Without any hardware, your computer would not exist and software would not be able to run. Computer hardware devices are used to perform two critical tasks: giving input instructions to the computer, getting output data from the computer.